to your pain with extraordinary imagination. Welcome to your pain with extraordinary imagination. Welcome to. Made you Saturn and Saturn with all its rings. Hear you sing a sad song of sapphire. Backfire of a flashback that made me blue. Alternate imagination. What should I do? Should I just walk with you? But the devil says he got me too. So how can I trust you if you not true? Just like my blue jeans, yeah. Blue dreams of a blue bird that seen tweets of two teens of false dreams. Like a sight that gleams and smears, like her sweet doom tears. Who cares? Who listens? Who hears the real me? Now you or I, contemplating every morning. Should I just die just to fly away with that blue bird that seen tweets and take a seat next to my fucking destiny? Captain, welcome to your pain with extraordinary imagination. Welcome to your pain with extraordinary imagination. Welcome to your pain with extraordinary imagination.